2024 Toyota Prius Prime Price, Specs, MPG. The 2024 Toyota Prius Prime plug-in hybrid is back and released at the same time as the all-new Toyota Prius Hybrid. Its exterior and interior look much better, but the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime engine is the most noticeable improvement over the regular Prius. The new Prius Prime has an increase of nearly 100 horsepower and an increase of over 50% in its all-electric range compared to its predecessor. The 2024 Prius will be the first Toyota car with the new Beyond Zero logo. This shows how vital this stylish compact is to Toyota's efforts to become carbon neutral. 2024 Toyota Prius Prime redesign. Exterior design. The only things that make the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime look different are the charging port in the trunk, the solar panels on top, and the Prime badge. That's okay, though, because the new Prius's style is excellent, even by Toyota's standards. It used to be a simple, unattractive, dowdy hatchback, but now it exudes an air of luxury more akin to a Lexus. The front end is well rested, and the slanted hood blends almost seamlessly into the windscreen. Instead, the attractive circular headlamps draw attention to the vehicle's front. The smaller 17-inch alloys on the basic SE might get lost in the wheel wells, but the more prominent 19-inch wheels on the upper trims will look great. Below the back spoiler, the transparent headlights on the XSE's middle trim level feature a straightforward, full-width design. The XSE Premium is the only trim level that comes standard with a fixed glass top, while the base XSE can have it as an option. The solar glass roof is available on the highest version, with a motorized rear door. When the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime is stopped, the solar panels recover some of the energy it uses, and the panels can also provide supplementary electricity to features like the air conditioner. We assume that Toyota has yet to reveal the maximum range of solar roof panels because it isn't very high. Interior design. Toyota has updated 2024 Toyota Prius Prime interior to make it appear more modern. Toyota has not gone overboard with digital screens, and the temperature control system and seat heaters, if present, are still accessible via a series of physical buttons. Besides, the automatic parking brake is a panel with additional physical controls for the various drive settings. Each package, SE, XSE, and XSE Plus, has standard features and options. The SE has an 8-inch touchscreen display, a heated steering wheel with Softex and leather accents, and 6 USB Type-C connections. Compared to the base model, the XSE's higher level of luxury is due to its Softex upholstery, 8-way adjustable driver's seat, heated front seats, and 2 cup holders in the back. The XSE Premium, last but not least, comes with a 12.3-inch tablet, an 8-speaker JBL sound system, a fixed glass top, and ventilated front seats. Heaters are available for all seats in the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime, including the back seat, on the XSE Premium trim level. A digital driver's monitor seems standard on all models, but Toyota doesn't specify its dimensions. All Prius Prime models include Toyota's latest safety technology, the 3.0 version of Toyota's Safety Sense package. Features like full-speed range dynamic radar cruise control, lane deviation warning with steering assist, road sign assistance, and lane tracing assistance stand out in this set of features. Assisting with traffic jams is also routine. The XSE Premium trim adds a 360-degree camera system to the standard blind spot monitor and rear cross-traffic warning, improving the driver's awareness of their surroundings. Enhanced Park, a hands-free device that makes parallel parking more accessible, is also an extra for this trim level. 2024 Toyota Prius Prime engine. We finally have a Toyota Prius that can be described as relatively fast without people assuming you've lost it. The 2024 Toyota Prius Prime 5th generation hybrid drivetrain features a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine that can produce up to 220 horsepower when combined with electric motors. This is an increase of 99 horses over the previous version. Even though Toyota didn't confirm it, we assume it will retain its continuously variable gearbox, CVT, and front-wheel drive configuration. The new Prius Prime has more speed than its predecessor, allowing it to finish the 0 to 60 miles per hour sprint in 6.6 seconds. The acceleration sensation and speed regulation of the Prius Prime are said to be superior to previous models. The Prius Prime's lower operating position and the new TNGAC platform's low center of gravity should be helpful when pushing forward. The vehicle can also be used for near-silent, leisurely drives around town when using electric power alone. 2024 Toyota Prius Prime price and release date. A launch date for the new Toyota Prius Prime car will be revealed in the first half of 2024. The 2024 Toyota Prius Prime has yet to be given a price tag, much like the regular Prius. Given the upgraded engine, the new Prius Prime will likely cost more than the 2024 model's $28,770 base price. The market lacks plug-in hybrid hatchbacks, but other PHEVs could be called competition. The Kia Niro PHEV, available for $33,740, has a limited all-electric range of 33 miles compared to the Prius Hybrid's 50 miles. The Hyundai Sonata Hybrid, for example, has a starting price of $27,950 and is just one of many non-plug-in hybrids available.